Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging your Dell Chromebook into power and connecting to stable Wi-Fi. This prevents shutdowns during the update. Once signed in as the device owner, check storage and free up at least 1 GB if needed. Open Settings, then About Chrome OS to begin. Click Check for updates and let the system download. You do this now because a powered, connected device reduces corruption risk and ensures the latest update files download fully before installation begins. Once the update is detected, allow the download to complete. Large builds can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on speed. When the system prompts, click Restart to install. Make sure you do not close the lid or disconnect power because that interrupts writes. During installation, you'll see progress and brief reboots. Keep the Chromebook connected until you return to the lock screen. You do this to let Chrome OS replace system, files safely, and perform any firmware checks required for Dell hardware. After reboot, sign in and confirm the new OS version under About Chrome OS to ensure success. If the update failed, restart the Chromebook and try again, because many transient errors clear with a simple reboot. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi and enough free storage before retrying. If problems persist, perform a power wash as a last resort or contact Dell support for firmware issues. A key troubleshooting tip: boot into recovery only when instructed. Don't use it for routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.